Hey bartenders, welcome back to the another session. We will learn back to front without flip. It is most important working flair move. It can be used in back to front working flair stall. This kind of moves make guests wow. We need to practice 2 to 3 hours for 7 days to make this move smooth and confident. We can make this move in many variations. I will show this move 2 variations, right to left, left to right and same hand catch. We can make this move with tin and bottle. Equipment should be readily available. It should not be wet while using. For this move, we need to catch reverse grip, like tennis grab. Before releasing your bottle back to front, just twist the neck with these 2 fingers, index and middle finger. When you twist the neck, it will get straight, and then you need to grab body or neck of the bottle, like this. First, practice this move in front of you, like rainbow. When you're perfect with this move in front of you, go with back to front.
This move can be performed with both the hands. What we have done with right hand, same like we need to do with left hand. Same move, now we are grabbing with same hand. Release and grab. Release back to front and grab with same hand. Same with left hand also. When you're confident with practice bottle, then go with glass bottle. With this move, we can perform stall balance. Ooh, cool.